Hey guys, I'm going to show you a little trick to make a marshmallow roasting utensil that a librarian taught me quite a few years ago. You're going to start with a hanger and you need duct tape, electrical tape, scissors, and a wire cutter. First, we're going to cut the hanger at each end closest to the tube. Sometimes those metal pieces that are attached come out very easily. Other times you need to take a pair of scissors and simply cut them off. Then with a little bit of might, we're going to take the wire hanger and we're going to straighten it out. And we're going to take the straightened end and put it right into the tube so that you have two prongs. Eventually you're going to put your marshmallows on these metal tips. So we're going to secure that in there. Now if you were to roast this over the fire, unfortunately the cardboard tube would go up in flames. So that's where the electrical tape comes in. So you're going to start the electrical tape at the top. You're going to make sure that the cardboard tube is completely covered. And then you're going to wrap this around the tube until it's almost completely covered, just leaving a little bit of the end exposed, or you can cover it all the way to the end. Okay, once you get to the bottom, I'm going to clip the tape. I'm going to make sure it's all securely fastened around the cardboard piece. Then I'm going to cut a little piece of decorative duct tape. I'm going to wrap it around the bottom securely. Mostly we do this so we can remember whose stick is whose at the end of the day. And there you go. Now you have a marshmallow roasting stick all set for the summer.